Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. It's been a while. I'm working on so many things, and of course with time we're going to see the results. So let's just look at the market, see what's going on, and check the price of crypto. So Bitcoin is still under $1 trillion, meaning it's still cheap, the market capitalization, and the price of Bitcoin is at $46,000. And Bitcoin price has been going up since 5th of August. It's been going up constantly since 5th of August, which is approximately 6 days. It's been going up for 6 days, right? So yep, something similar happened, few months earlier in the year when it was just going up. So I expect some pullback. Let's look at the charts. Maximum device. I have to close what I have on the other device. All right, so this is Bitcoin chart, and 5 minutes. I have to change this to 1 hour. So as you can see, the price has been going up since 5th of August. It's been going upwards. So I can draw the line so you can see. Yep, it's been going up since 6th of August, and I expect some correction. I expect the price to correct and just move down a little bit to like 41,000 or 40,000, or better still, $38,000. So this is the support for Bitcoin, the well-known support for Bitcoin, and I expect a new support for Bitcoin around 42,000, around this range, 42,000. So we can have a new support around here. So having a new support around 42,000 gives us hold on, maybe I should just turn off this one. Yeah, right. Having a support around here around 42,000 gives us enough room to move higher. So I expect a pullback to where's the arrow? I expect a pullback to 42,000. Now, of course, trading has to do with speculation, where you look at the prices and you check how that asset has been doing over the years, and then you try to speculate how it will work. And that's the reason why I would tell traders to use stop loss, because sometimes this thing might not play as we have seen them. But this is my expectations, and of course, if it doesn't happen, then it surely will happen. There will always be a correction, because the market cannot go up forever. If the correction doesn't happen around here, it's going to happen when it gets to it might shoot up to 52 and then still correct. We'll definitely have a correction before we go up to all-time high. So the all-time high for Bitcoin,
it's 8 o'clock.
Yeah, that's my what? Okay. The all-time high for Bitcoin is around all-time high for Bitcoin. This is the all-time high for Bitcoin. That's 64,000, almost 68, almost 64,800. Let's say almost $65,000. So for we to get to that price, we need to have at least 5 corrections or 4 corrections. So it's gonna go up to, let's say, 56, and then correct downwards to, let's say, 48, and then move up to 65, and then correct to, let's say, 55. So that's the usual pattern. And of course, when it goes up here, people will lose money that are shorting. When it comes down, people will make money that are shorting also. All right, so those are my expectations for Bitcoin. But in the short term, I expect some correction down to 42,000, because there are a lot of buy orders at 42,000, and then boom, up to $50,000. All right, that's a price chart for you. So let's go and check the news. What's happening in the news? So Shark Tank's Kevin Ole becomes FTX spokesperson, will be paid in crypto. This is the most important part of this article right here. Just in case you don't know, Shark Tank is a popular TV series for entrepreneurs, and they look out for startups and of course invest in those startups. Now this guy is in crypto. Now this is to let you know that we're still really early in this cryptocurrency journey, because guys like Shark Tank, they're just getting crypto jobs, right? They're just beginning to accept crypto as payment publicly, right? And you know how the game works. The rich will have to come in before the masses come in. So he's just getting this new job, and guess what's going to happen in the next couple of years? I'm sure you know it. Finally solved my compliance problem with cryptocurrencies. I'm going to use FTX to increase my allocation and use the platform to manage my portfolio. And he's saying this publicly. So I'm no different. I want to increase my crypto exposure, but also serve my compliance mandates. When it comes to rapidly changing compliance and tax reporting requirements, the current cryptocurrency ecosystem is fraught with risks that I cannot take. Then it goes on to say, I have no interest in doing any of this crypto crap because it's compliance. Anyways, the news here is O'Neill is now into crypto more and more. So there's a news about Venmo. Just in case you've been in the woods, you don't know what Venmo is. Let me see if I can quickly show us what Venmo. All right, so this is Venmo, and as you can see here, these guys they get almost 10 million monthly users. Almost 10 million monthly users, and pay, get paid, shop, share, join, more than 70 million people who use the Venmo app. So back to the news. Venmo enables users to automatically buy crypto with cashback rewards. So that means about 70 million new people are about to come into the crypto space. Now that is really loud, and you're really early. Now, do you know the implication of having 70 million new people coming to the crypto space? Anyways, let's just read here. Say hello to cashback to crypto with the Venmo credit card rolling out to eligible card holders over the coming weeks. This is going to cause the price of crypto to surge. The cashback to crypto feature for Venmo credit card offers customers a new way to start exploring the world of crypto using their cashback earned each month to automatically and seamlessly purchase one of our cryptocurrencies on Venmo. Now, I have a prediction that Venmo is going to launch their own cryptocurrency in the next couple of months or couple of weeks, so as to reward customers also for using their platform. So, like I always say, this is going to be the trend in the next couple of weeks and months. Bank of Jamaica means the first batch of national digital currency. So the Bank of Jamaica plans to issue a total of $1.5 million of central bank digital currency to institutional and authorized payment service. Right. So of course these guys have been really jealous about the innovation in the crypto space, and now they want to develop their own currency. That is just the news there, nothing special about it. Status plans to incentivize node operators for decentralized messaging protocol. Just in case you don't know what Status is, it's a decentralized cryptocurrency messaging platform. It was built on Ethereum, and I've not used it for a long time, but I think after this news I'm going to download Status again and start using it. But I hope people around the world also start using decentralized messaging platforms so they can have full adoption. I myself am going to repent. I used to post on Steemit, post on Hive until I stopped, but of course I'm going to resume because that is how to make decentralized platforms popular. Hackers stole at least 600 millions in Poly exploit across 3 chains. I saw this news yesterday. I was like, what the? Anyways, Chinese security firm Slomis called it a long planned. Just in case you don't know who or what Slomis is a company that does auditing for cryptocurrency platforms, organized and prepared attack. So let's read this news. In what will be the largest hack in decentralized finance, or DeFi, however you want to pronounce it, unknown hackers use an exploit on cross-chain protocol Poly network to remove at least $600 million from 3 chains. According to its Tuesday update on Twitter, Poly network said the attacks had removed assets from Binance Chain, Ethereum, and Polygon network. Blockchain data from the respective network shows the hackers stole roughly $273 million from Ethereum, $85 million in USDT from the Polygon network, and $253 million from the Binance Smart Chain. That's a lot of money. Poly also reported Ren BTC, Wrapped BTC, and Wrapped Ether were involved in the exploit, which used a vulnerability between contract calls. Chinese cybersecurity firm Slomis posted an update shortly after the news of the hack broke, saying its analysts had identified the attacker's email address, IP address, and device fingerprints, but did not reveal the information. The firm said it used data provided by the whole exchange and other firms to determine that the hacker's initial source of funds was Monero, which is a private currency that cannot be easily traced, which was changed to Binance Coin, Ether, and Matic. Combined with the flow of funds and multiple fingerprint information, it can be found that this is likely to be a long-planned, organized, and prepared attack, said Slowmist. The hacker also posted at least 3 bizarre messages through transaction records on Ethereum. According to data from Etherscan, they are considering returning some of the stolen funds. Why? After seemingly being unable to move some tokens, they seem to be asking the community for help in laundering digital assets. That's quite funny. It would have been, imagine a thief going into someone's apartment and stealing, and asking the people around the neighborhood, hey, please, I just stole some money, please come help me out. Anyways, it would have been a billion hack, whoa, if it had moved remaining shit coins. Damn. But what am I reading? Did I just save the project, not so interested in money? Now considering returning some tokens or just leaving them there? Anyways, that's a quote from the hacker, I guess. Figures from DeFi and the crypto space also stepped up to offer assistance and support. OKX CEO Jay Howe said that the exchange's team was watching the flow of coins and would try to manage the situation. Twitter CTO Paulo Adroino reported that the project had frozen roughly $33 million in Tether. Now, this is both good and bad. It's good because, yeah, the money was saved. It's bad because Ether or USDT can be seized the same way your money in the bank can be seized. All right. So moving on, and of course, this tells you why you should start looking for cryptocurrencies, stable coins that cannot be seized. Moving forward, from one of the affected addresses, why Binance CEO Champeng Sound said the crypto exchange was coordinating with security partners to proactively help following the hack. Now, this is some loud news right here. All right, guys. This is where we're trying to cut in for today, but please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video while we source out for important cryptocurrency news and of course trading and market news. And also, if you want to learn how to trade, please do make sure you check the description for the link to our academy so you can learn how to trade. And also we have a course here that I'll teach you how to build decentralized application, how to build smart contracts, and deploy them, and also create your own token and deploy them in at least 12 different blockchains. All right, guys. See y'all later.